Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, A Mom with a Camera. So as the title it suggests, you guys know what I'm going to talk about today. So why I chose this topic is because on Instagram I always put stories of Nila playing with some of her toys, and a lot of you guys have asked, can you please share the link from where you guys bought it. So I thought, okay fine, I'll do a video and I'll show all her toys and I'll share all the links. And so you guys, whichever you guys find it interesting for your kids, you guys can also buy. My daughter is just 2.5 years old, and all the toys which I've bought for her are all brain development toys and hand and mind coordination, brain and hand coordination kind of toys is what I've bought for her. Nitin was very specific on not buying any kind of electronic toys for Nila, so we have kept that in mind and got all wooden kind of toys for her to play with. There were few which we have bought, like electronic items were like those piano, and one I got recently was the fish, where she needs to do fishing, but we have removed the batteries and she's doing it without that. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to show all the toys, and yeah, and all the links will be mentioned. Hopefully I find all the links. So yeah, let's go. So let us begin, guys. Before I do talk about the toys, her toys are here in our room right now because her age is such that she throws everything around. It goes under the bed. She puts it, hides the the pieces of the toys. It becomes very, very tough. And guess who's the strict parent out here? Me. So I'm very strict with her in regarding keeping the toys neat and stuff like that. I mean, pick up these toys and stuff. And she's only scared of me. So I have kept the toys on top in our room. So whichever toys she wants to play with, that will go down with her during my office hours, and she plays down with it. And once we come back on top, we collect all the toys. I mean, we collect all the pieces of the toys and we get it on top. We just started this routine a week back because till then all the toys are down. As soon as I get back from my office work, the toys are scattered everywhere, and I kind of pull her and we kind of get all the toys back in one. And a lot of toys are missing, a lot of pieces are missing. I tried collecting them, but there are few which are missing still. It might be somewhere hidden. Only Nila can find out where she's hidden. So let me get on to the toys, guys. So this is all the brain development toys which I have kept here. These are the soft toys, and these are the kitchen items and all the fruits, cutting vegetables, and all that stuff is over here. There are animals over here, and this is the fish toy which I was talking about the fishing. This is her ice cream, like, what is it called? Acting, I'm not getting the word right now. Okay, I'm not getting the name of what the word is. Kind of a role play kind of game. I'm not getting the name, but whatever, I hope you guys understood what kind of toys are those. And these are nothing but books, her drawing book, and lately I got some ABCD puzzles which I got it for her. So yeah, let me show you in detail. Okay, so let me get on to this section, guys. The first thing which I'm going to talk about is definitely the ring stack. So you can buy according to the age of your child. So when she was young, like around 9 months or so, I have got this. And when she grew older, she knew how to do this very, very fast. So I got her the bigger one. So yeah, this is a very, very good buy. It is not that costly as well. And in this, you can learn the sizes from big to small, and you can even learn the colors. You can, as parents, invent different kind of games, and you can play with your child. So this is a very, very good buy. So I think you can invest on this. Okay, so that is it with the ring stack. I'm going to keep this aside. Okay, so the next thing which I'm going to talk for sure about is the wooden boards, where most of the toys, boards which I have is on coordination of your hand and your brain to put the exact piece in the right place, and it should fit correctly. So these board games helped her in that. So first thing is alphabets. You can also learn the alphabets as well. So this was a very good buy. This is by the English alphabets by Little Bengaluru. So this is one thing. This, I think my mom and dad had gifted her this, and it's very, very tough to find all the pieces because Nila is just throwing them away. As in, once she starts playing, at the end of the day they get so they're very restless, so they'll start throwing away stuff. So 2 alphabets in this are missing. It is somewhere hiding. So I store these letters in a container, and they come with, so this is alphabet D, and you can hold them. There's a place where you can hold them, and they have to hold here and put it in the correct place. So this is how it will look, and it's very, very good. It gives you a very good coordination, and you will learn the alphabets as well as colors. And with this, what I do is, I even play with her, put all the greens together, put all the orange together. It's not just an alphabet game. You can invent your own kind of methods when you're teaching your child. So this is another board which I really, really like, and Nila likes playing this. She is expert in alphabets right now because of all these kind of games. So this is one buy which I have got for her. Another thing which I got for her is shapes. Again, this is wooden, as you can see. So you put the green in the green circle, square, triangle, star, diamond, rectangle, oval, and heart. I don't know why I told everything, but yeah, these are simple shapes, and they learn very, very quickly, and they place it also really well. So another way I play with her is I put the triangle in the rectangle and I say, see, I've put it, and she'll be like, no mommy, you're wrong, and she puts it at the right place. So you can invent your own kinds of method to teach your child. This is another very good buy which I have done. I'm not sure of the pricing, guys. I bought it very, very long back ago, and these are all by Chunky Puzzles, and all the board games I've bought it from there, and I really, really liked it, and the quality is also good. It stayed for so long. I think it's almost more than 1.5 years I've bought these stuff. And yeah, the pricing I will mention it, guys. Okay, that's with the shapes, so she knows the shapes as well. The next is the numbers. Similar to the alphabets, there is numbers as well. Luckily, I have all the pieces of this. So it's the same concept as the alphabets which I've mentioned. So you'll have to just place it, and the coordination, the colors, everything matters. And this is also gifted by my parents, so I'm not sure. There will be similar items in online stores as well. I'll find one and I'll put up in the link, guys. And yeah, this is also very, very good. You learn the numbers really well. And yeah, this is one of them. This is also a gift which my brother and sister-in-law gave. This is nothing but like a drawing book. See, you can get colors once you type over here. So this is also, Nila really, really likes. It really helps. You need to actually concentrate and make your designs here. So this is also really good. Not sure of the pricing, guys, of this, but yeah, this is also a good buy. The next one which I've got is animals, again of wooden blocks. This is also from Chunky Puzzles, and you learn animals here, and definitely placing at the correct location is also you learn here. So basically the hand, mind, everything. I told the hand here, right? The brain and the hand movements, and choosing the correct option matters. So you can play with your kid, like putting in the wrong place, and they will correct you. So that's what I do. And she knows almost all the alphabets, and luckily I have all the pieces. So this is another buy, guys, where you can, most of them is these kind of toys which I've bought for her, like putting in the correct place. So another set of animals similar to that, again of Chunky Puzzles itself. So these are the other animals which I've got for her. So she knows all these animals as well, and she plays. I think for people in Instagram, you know, I've put stories of her playing with it long back. So yeah, this is a very good buy, guys, and it is lasting for so long, so it's good. These toys are going to my second kid, if there's a second kid. But yeah, so it is very good, and you know, it's lasting. It's good quality stuff, so I'm really happy, and it's wooden, so it's really good. Okay, another thing which I got for her is another set of alphabets, but this is very tough. Even for us, it's very tough. So this is over here. Along with that, you can see animals, fruits, starting like A for alphabets. So A for apple. So they learn even that with this. So this is very tough, because you know, the coins which came like this, it's just like this. Okay, there's no wooden blocks to hold it. And another thing with wrong which I found with this is, you know, this can be a P, this can be a Q, this can be a D, this can be a B. So it's very confusing for the kid itself. So as you grow older, you know, the first letter over here, A for apple, A will be in a particular red color, so they have to coordinate with that and place the alphabets. Nila is too young for it, but she somehow manages to keep most of it. But these kind of confusing alphabets, it's very tough for her and for me as well. So this, you know, it'll take time for her to do, but so I've kept it safe. It is a good buy, but not for Nila's age. You know, that'll take a little bit more time for her to do, but she plays around with this. But you know, like all the confusing alphabets, she doesn't place it right. But this is also from Amazon, I guess. I bought it, and yeah, so these are the educational toys which I bought for her. Yeah, so let's get on to the next session. The thing which I got for her is this fish set. So this, you need to put battery, and it's actually a very good game to coordinate your hand. You need to be patient, you know, your kids will learn that, and it's very tough for us also to do it. So the kid has to balance. This is a stick which has a magnet at the end. So and the small fish over here has a magnet in its mouth, and the bottom, the big fish, you know, once the battery is put on, it opens its mouth and closes it. So now I have removed the battery and kept, but she knows how to even use this. This whole thing rotates and a music plays. It's very interesting. So now I have removed the battery, but catching the big fish is very tough. So now she's expert in catching the small fish. So all you have to do is, this will keep rotating. It's very tough, so you'll have to keep your balance as well, and it should be coordinated, and yeah, you get your fish. And this rotates as well, guys, so it makes it even more tough. So once she's expert in catching normally, I will increase the difficulty level and she will learn that way. So this is also a very good game, and it keeps her concentrated in catching the fish. She'll be focused, and she will get that hand and brain coordination as well. So I really like this game, and yeah, it's a good buy, guys. And you can keep the stick here. You get 4 sticks. All of that is hidden and kept so that she doesn't break any of it. And 2 fish are missing. It's somewhere hidden. So that is with this game, guys. I really like this. And these are nothing but animals which I've got for her. So these, I think, is just normal. There's nothing like, you know, she just learns the animals names and stuff like that. So another thing which I got for her recently was this ice cream selling machine, whatever it is. This has also battery, just plays music. I have removed it because it's not necessary. So this is for 3 years and above. Nila is just 2.5, but I got her this because she loves ice cream, and we go with her, you know, for a walk to buy ice cream, and she's like, ice cream mano. So I got her this. So there are chocolates, small chocolates. You get coins as well along with this. Like, you give a coin, you get an ice cream. So all of that is not in reach with her. I have hidden it inside this, so that you know she doesn't swallow it. You know, we don't know when what will happen. So all this tiny stuffs is all hidden inside this, the small chocolates and stuff which will come with this. So that is kept aside, and all these ice cream cones, she just acts it out, so that is fine. So this is also a really good buy. She just plays like, you know, like, do you want ice cream, do you want yellow color ice cream, do you want blue color ice cream? It's nothing but a simple toy for them, you know, for them to just play, act it out and play. She does that really well. So it's a very good buy for me, because Nila loves these kind of games as well. Pretend and play. I got the word now. So these are pretend and play kind of games, guys. Oh, I was thinking why I was not getting that name. So that's it with this. Then there are building blocks also, which I've got. It's not here, it's down. That is just normal building blocks wala game, and she is not very keen on that. She just likes to open it and throw it everywhere else. So that is why I'm not putting that over here, because I think almost all the parents will buy building blocks. Yeah. So let me keep everything aside. So another thing, which this box has is all pretend and play, guys. This full set is of kitchen items. It has small steel vessels. You get there's even plastic vessels inside this. I think I like these kind of inside this there are, you know, things like you can make idli and give. So when we like, Paru, can you make idli and give for me? She'll immediately come, take out this, she will show this and say, idli. So you know, these are pretend and play. And so yeah, all this is all vessels, cooking items, everything. All these things you get it online, guys. She absolutely loves to play kitchen, and I think most of the girls like it. But yeah, so this is all kitchen items. It's all pretend and play. Another really good thing which I really like is vegetables which you can cut. So I have stored it in these kind of containers. I think all the moms will have these containers. You get the gift basket, right? So these are, so this full set is of fruits and vegetables. All you need to do is there will be a board like this. You have to put the vegetable and you have to cut it. This is also a brilliant game. She loves playing with this. She used to. Now it's like kept in this basket, so she's not seen it, but she loves it. If I give this to her right now, she will start cutting all the vegetables and she's like, do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want me to cut it? So it's really nice, and she knows the vegetable which she's cutting. She knows, okay, which one should match which one, because there are different ones, okay? As you can see, there are different kinds of capsicum. So I got two kinds, so all of it is there here. Then there is banana. So she knows which one should match which one. So there is green, capsicum. So there is a lot of these kind of vegetables which you get, and it's a very good time pass for them also to play with these kind of toys. I absolutely love it, and it was a very good buy. So another thing which I got is the kitchen set like this. So it's nothing but, you know, there is like stove, there's wash basin and stove. You can put different, or you know, when you open this part, if you open this part, there are items like this where you can put here, you can hang in your spoons and stuff like that. You know, this is good. So all the items for this particular toy also got mixed up with this. So this, you know, it's not a great buy, which I can say, but not bad. She actually played a lot with this, but now she likes preferring the table to play with rather than, you know, these small items. So this is also a good buy. You can buy kitchen items. So I realized, you know, she stopped playing with this because only 2 or 3 vessels were there, and after that I got the major vessels, like you know, the steel vessels one. So that a lot of items I got, and she absolutely loved it. There was stuff, there was everything, and she loves to pretend and play. So that is with the Pretend and Play. So I actually got a Pretend and Play for the doctor set also I had got, but my brother-in-law is an actual doctor and the actual stethoscope is here. She prefers that over the toy doctor set. So yeah, so that has gone for a waste, and it was very, very bad quality, so I'm not suggesting for you guys over here. So that's with the Pretend and Play. Pretend and Play, there's only kitchen items are this, cutting fruits and kitchen set. And Pretend and Play for ice cream is all I got. And Pretend and Play, she plays a lot of doctor. So my husband is a doctor sometimes and she's the doctor sometimes, and all these toys over here are the patients. So she loves to play Pretend and Play right now. And she even pretends to be my grandparents, and she even pretends to be my brother-in-law, I mean my brother and Amadi and all of that. So she loves to play those kind of games. So the next set over here are nothing but books, guys. I'm not suggesting more of books. I think all parents know what books to buy on the perfect age. But the best books I think almost all the parents would buy is this library with set, which has My First Library. You get it everywhere, so you can learn the ABCs, you can learn the ABC, numbers, shapes, colors, wild animals, birds, fruits, vegetables, transport, everything is there out here. So yeah, I think I'm not getting majorly into this because I think almost all parents would buy this first. And then I have the Peppa Pig book set as well, which she really likes, and I've got a lot of storybooks which she's not touched yet. So that is one thing. So there is a mic here, she sings with this when she feels like. And yeah, this also I think it's a very, very good buy if she's interested in music, if she likes singing. You can get her one. It's not very costly. Okay, so that is one. And the other one which I really, really recommend is this. I'm not sure if you'll find it on Amazon, but I will try getting the Hamleys link of this. This is a product from Hamleys and I really, really like this. It is...
Hello, let's play. Choose an activity.
I shall continue when the power comes back. Sorry about that. The power just went and it came back immediately. So this is another very, very good buy, and you can learn alphabets, you can learn numbers, you can draw here. The pen is again missing, sorry guys. It should be somewhere. So there are different kind of sessions which you can do, small ABCD, big ABCD, and there's a digital screen here which will show everything what you are typing, like so to show how to write. It is a very good buy. She loves to scribble here. I think a lot of you guys would have seen it on Instagram. She absolutely loves this, but I may need to search this particular pen which you get along with this. And this is a very, very good buy, guys. I would like to recommend this to everyone and everyone. Okay, so this is one thing which she really, really likes. Recently I got a play mat, alphabet puzzle play mat. I thought it would be bigger. There are bigger ones as well, but luckily I got the smaller ones. So there are alphabets. She has to make the puzzle out of this, and like puzzle, like you can make a puzzle out of this in whatever shape you want. And then you can even like remove the alphabets, give it to your kids, and your kid has to place it correctly. So Nila loves this buy. She absolutely loves to play with this. So I was very happy that she likes to play with this mat, and with this you can even make like this. So you can even make puzzles out of this, cubes out of this, and you can make it as a dice and play with your kids. And she absolutely was in shock when I made this. And she's like, oh wow, it's like, mommy, you're so great. Anyways, so she absolutely loves this. So along with this you get even numbers only from 0 to 9, and you get alphabets, and this was also a very good buy, guys, and she absolutely loves it. I get all toys where she will learn something, so I actually liked it. So this was the latest buy which I got for her, and that's it, guys. I'm not going much into detail regarding books because I think everyone is bothered about the other toys, right? Yes, so yeah, that's it, guys. I simply don't go and just go buy her toys. I do, like, I check every toy, I check the age group, I check, how is it going to help my child, and then only I buy the toys. And whatever I showed you today are the toys which actually worked and which she actually liked, and where she actually learned something. So that is why I showed you this. There were toys where I bought it too early for her, that she broke it. I will put it up here. It's a beautiful toy and she loves it. She really loved to play with this, but it is broken, and I think I might buy it again for her because it was again another educational toy where she actually learned something. So that was this, and there were other toys as well, but I didn't put it up here because it was not worth it. I would like to share the things which are worth it and not waste your time. And you guys can, if you liked it, you can just go ahead and click the link and buy it. So yeah, that's it, guys. These were the toys which I got for her, and all the toys which I get for her are educational. So yeah, if you liked it and if you want to buy it for your kids, I will try getting almost all the links, and I'll put it in my Amazon storefront, and I will share the link. You guys can just click that link and go and check out all the toys. Whichever you want, you can purchase it for your kid. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And if you really like this, and if you think it was helpful for you guys, please give it a thumbs up, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll come up with more such videos as well. Do let me know, give me suggestions. I will definitely do it. And thank you so much for your support till now. See you guys next week. Bye bye.